This is one of my favorite exercises. It's a bent over row with dumbbells. But not everyone can do that in a way that's useful and usable and feels good. So for a lot of us, when we're first starting out, when we come over like this, we can't keep our back long. It kind of feels like this. And then we wind up lifting the weights like this, and that's not useful. That's not usable. That's just going to make you crinkle up your face and never lift the weight again. So instead of doing bent over rows like this, which I love, and we have these in many of our classes, you can do, or we can do, tripod bent over rows, which I also love and are in many of our classes. And that looks like this. You pivot over, and then instead of having to hold yourself like this, you put one hand on a chair. So now we have back support. When we have back support, it's less of a load or a challenge for our core, and we're able to stay here without our back rounding or us hating the exercise. So that would look like this. We're going to hold the weight in one hand. We pivot over. Hand is on the chair. It could also be a bench. And we do the exercise like this. That takes some of the load off the core and makes it useful and usable, an exercise you'll actually do, so you will get stronger. But let's say when you come over like that, it still hurts. You still hate life. You never want to do this. Right? Let's say it looks like this. Do not suffer through it. What you want to do is you want to build up your core stability, your hip mobility, and we cover that in our program. And if you need some advice on that, just check out the links below. If you feel like this when you come over, don't come over as much. Flip the chair, or use the wall, or use a high counter. And then when you're over, there's less challenge on your core and hips, and then you're better able to execute the exercise. Because remember, the goal is to do the exercise in a way that's useful and usable for you, not in a way that you did 20 years ago or that you want to do in 2 months from now, but in a way that works for you now. So what I would recommend is see which one feels best for you. Is it the bent over row? Love these, right? Is it the high tripod row? Love these too. Is it the low tripod row? Whichever variation you choose, remember to be consistent. So you can watch this video and try it once or think about trying it, and I totally respect that. But the way that you're going to get stronger, the way that you're going to make a difference is by challenging yourself consistently over time. And it doesn't need to be super fancy, but it does need to be. So if you're going to add this exercise in your routine, have it be part of a simple and effective strength training program, something that you do about 2 to 3 times a week, and that will get you strong. It doesn't need to be this crazy intense thing, but it does need to be a couple of useful and usable exercises. The key is to work consistently and to have a couple of exercises that your body understands how to do so that you can do them safely and effectively, because you do need to challenge yourself. The challenge of that is how do we challenge ourselves with exercises that are safe and effective? Now, if you're interested in learning some more exercises, I have a free, yes, free, super fabulous 5-day program on how to start strength training at home. We go over things like bent over rows, squats, and core work in a way that's useful and usable for you. So just check out the link below. And remember, exercise works when you know how to work it.